you're sailing into Nassau Cruise Port and trying to find the ultimate day excursion that doesn't involve long travel, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down everything that's included with a day pass at Margaritaville Beach Resort, which is located just a short and easy walk directly from your cruise ship. We are stepping inside to tour the entire property, test out every single attraction at the Fins Up water park, check out the private beach, and show you exactly why this might be the best, most stress-free beach day in the Bahamas. Don't stay on the ship. Let's go and explore what you'd miss. When you're thinking about excursions in Nassau, the best thing about Margaritaville is the location, because this resort is just a short, easy 10-minute walk down the newly renovated boardwalk along the ocean. As you step inside the main lobby, you're instantly greeted by the upscale, relaxed island aesthetic. Margaritaville is a full-scale luxury resort offering premium overnight stays for vacationers. But for cruise passengers, it functions as the perfect daycation hub. Right off the main lobby floor, you have access to vacation apparel shops, cozy coffee spots, and a great variety of sit-down restaurants to grab a bite before you head outside. This beautifully done waterfront development cost a whopping $250 million to build, completely opening its doors in 2021 as a cornerstone of downtown Nassau's brand new look. Inspired by Jimmy Buffett's iconic laid-back state of mind, the property features 2 separate towers totaling 300 luxury rooms, all flanking the massive 2-acre aquatic fun zone out back. You can take a look at their detailed architectural model sitting right in the center of the lobby, and you can really see the vast layout of the resort. And when you step into the Fins Up water park, it really comes to life. Now let's talk about the exact cost to book a day trip here. The pricing fluctuates depending on the day of the week, but the standard day pass to the Fins Up water park typically runs $87 for adults on weekdays and goes up to $110 on the weekend, while a child's pass always costs $63. Locker rentals are available for $6, and there are also changing rooms available. Because daily pass capacity is strictly capped, booking your tickets online in advance is highly recommended to guarantee your spot. There are a couple of bars available, one is poolside and one is beachside, and the 12-volt bar serves any drink that you need. It's time to check out the main attractions, starting with the lazy river. This is the ultimate spot to grab an inner tube, kick back, and drift along the beautifully landscaped, winding route that wraps around the center of the resort. It is exceptionally relaxing and serves as a great home base to float your worries away between your high-energy adventures. Right in the middle of the lazy river sits the dedicated kids splash zone, which features 2 small children's slides designed strictly for children under 48 inches tall. But for those of you traveling with older kids or adults, they also have 2 major water slides for everyone over 48 inches. The iconic pink and blue slides offer a surprisingly fast, twisting ride that is fantastic fun for all ages. And as you can see from my own ride down the pink slide here, it is impossible to go down this thing without having a massive smile on your face. Right next to the slides in the children's splash zone, you'll find the resort's expansive main swimming pool. This is the central hub of the park, offering plenty of space to swim and relax in the water. If you want a more quieter vibe to catch some sun, there are more sitting areas on the other side of the pedestrian bridge next to the pool. Accessible from the same stairs as the water slide is their famous cliff jumping platform. This attraction is limited to guests over 48 inches tall as well, and it is an incredible hit for thrill seekers for all generations. It's a great little adrenaline rush, and it's an absolute must while you're here. With all that fun, there's still so much more to see. Next up, they have an awesome Flow Rider surf simulator on site, which is an absolute hit for the kids, but just as fun for the adults too. This attraction alone will keep a middle-aged child busy all day long. I know I would have wanted to be there all day when I was young. What makes the setup pretty unique is that the wave is wide enough for 2 people to ride at the exact same time, so you can surf right alongside your friends or family. There's also a giant rock climbing wall right next to the flow rider. Now, not many people know this, but the stunning infinity pool located on the 3rd floor is completely accessible with your standard day pass. The entrance to the stairs heading up is tucked right next to the rock wall, just across from the flow rider. You just follow those stairs all the way to the top, where the environment completely shifts into upscale oasis featuring a poolside bar and a relaxing jacuzzi sitting right next to the main edge. This pool easily offers the best views of both the water park below and the entire cruise port. It is the ultimate spot to take some phenomenal photos inside the water with the exact cruise ship you arrived on sitting directly in the background, depending on which dock it's parked at for the day. Even after everything we've seen so far, we still haven't even stepped onto the stunning Bahamian beach yet. Getting down to their private beach is incredibly simple, with direct access pathways located right past the flow rider. One of the best perks of coming here is that all your beach umbrellas and lounge chairs are completely included in your day pass. If you went to public Junkanoo Beach right next door, you would easily have to pay $10 a chair and $20 an umbrella to sit down. If you remember to pack your own snorkeling gear, these protected shallows can be surprisingly full of marine life. Plus, if you want to get active on the ocean, Margaritaville offers great water sport rentals right on the sand, including single and double kayaks, stand-up paddleboards, and water bikes. The waters here are absolutely gorgeous, featuring sandy bottoms and a very gradual drop-off, making it the perfect, safe beach environment for families traveling with young kids. You could easily spend your entire day just relaxing on this beach alone. Seeing this property from above really drives home the scale of what they built here. While it makes a flawless day trip for cruise passengers, it is also a world-class vacation resort for overnight guests. In the main hotel tower, you have access to beautifully designed modern oceanfront rooms. In their other building called One Particular Harbour, they offer luxury apartment-styled stays. These stays are fully equipped with kitchens, large living rooms, separate bedrooms ranging from studios up to massive multi-bedroom suites, giving you an upscale home away from home right next to the water park. So there you have it. A day pass to Margaritaville completely solves the biggest headache of any cruise vacation, maximizing your limited hours ashore without ever having to worry about missing your ship's departure. The entire property is absolutely stunning. And when you combine the beautiful resort layout with the action-packed water slide, surf simulator, hidden infinity pool, and private beach, it delivers an incredible amount of value just steps from the dock. When your day is done, you simply walk right back along the secure boardwalk straight to the terminal gates. If you want to check out even more incredible options for your next visit here, make sure you watch our countdown of the top best 5 beaches in Nassau by clicking right here on screen. Drop a like if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want to see more travel content just like this. And we'll see you on our next adventure.